This lesson you are looking at the A sound. Can you say A? A. Remember this sound as snail in the rain. Your turn. Well done. Now let's have a look at some green words with the A sound in them. Can you spot the special friends A? Good. We'll have a go at reading this one together. Train. Have a look at that word. Can you spot the A, special friends? On your own, are you ready? That should have been paid. Paid. Try that word. On your own, are you ready? That's paint. Found special friends. Are you ready? That's rain. Look for the special friends in that word. Are you ready? That one is snail. Snail. Final green word. On your own. Tail. Well done. Now have a look at these alien words which don't have any sound buttons underneath them and they don't make sense. Look for the A sound. Can you see it? We'll do this one together. Blabe. Blabe. Look for the A sound in that alien word. Ready? That one's lail. And finally, try that alien word. This has got two sets of special friends in it. Are you ready? Quame. Well done. I'm going to show you some green words from before, but I've taken away the sound buttons. Can you thread in your head and say that word out loud? Snail. Thread in your head. Rain. Thread in your head. Paint. Thread in your head. Paid. Well done. You now know the A sound.